Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a night lamp. We will use RGB LEDs as a night lamp. These RGB LEDs are connected to the Node MCU ESP board. This is a Node MCU version 1.0 ESP12E module. The RGB LEDs are connected at D1, D2, D3 pin. This is a mobile in which we will run the controlling application. The name of the application is Blink. The device and the mobile application will communicate using an intermediate server known as Blink server. On the PC end, we have the Arduino IDE in which we will program the Node MCU code. The RGB LEDs are common cathode. Now we will take a look at the code. For downloading the Blink library, we need to go to the web page which is mentioned in the code. This is the web page from where we can download the library and include it in the Arduino IDE. This is the ESP library and this one is the Blink library. This one is the authentication token that is needed to communicate with the Blink server. These are the Wi-Fi credentials, the Wi-Fi password and the name. In the setup, we need to begin the communication with the Blink server. It requires the token, the router to which we have connected, the router name and its password. Inside the loop, we need to run the project that we will create in the mobile application. The command is blink.run. It will run the project. Now we will create a project inside the mobile application. This one is the Blink application. I will start over again. Create new project, giving a name to the project. Lamp. We need to select the board. Presently we are using Node MCU board. The communication medium is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the communication protocol that we will use between the device and the mobile. Now we will click on create. Now it will send the token, the authentication token. The authentication token has been sent to the Gmail address. Here we have got the authentication token. We will copy it. And we need to paste it inside our code. This is a mandatory step. Before uploading the code, we need to cross-check the board. Our board should be Node MCU version 1.0 ESP12E. COM port is COM4 and it may vary. And on the mobile end, we need to mention the pin numbers that we are using. So for configuring the pins, we need to click on the black screen. We will using the zebra pattern to create the colors. Now a zebra will appear. Now our pins are D1, D2, D3. D1 is for red. D1, D2, D3. So D1, D2, D3 are the pins for RGB color. Now we will upload the code. So the code has been successfully uploaded. Now we will click on the play button. So we can change the color by clicking on the different portions on the zebra. Presently it's red. We can drag between the portions of zebra and we can see the change in color. We can use it as a night lamp. We can add more LEDs in parallel. So by this method, we are controlling the RGB LEDs using mobile application, and the intermediate is our Blink server. This was the code. This was a Node MCU board. We can create more creative applications using the Blink application. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Thank you.